Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will take you through top courses and platforms from where you can learn coding and actually build up your skills. I know a lot of us are stuck in tutorials. It feels like we understand it, but as soon as we start working on building something, we get stuck. You watch endless amount of YouTube videos and still struggle. Don't worry, you are not the only one facing this issue. A lot of beginners out there are stuck in tutorial hell. To learn programming, what you'll need is a clear roadmap and learn things step by step. So today I bring you top courses and platforms where you can actually have a clear roadmap and where the tutors will teach you the required things step by step to learn programming. So stick till the end of this video and I guarantee that you'll get something out of this. First, we have Meta Online course from Coursera. Here you can find many courses of your choice, but only issue here is that it's a paid program. But I've got a good news for you. You can actually apply for financial aid where you don't have to pay any money. You just apply for this aid and wait for it to approve, and then you're all set to learn. I'll have a separate video on how to apply for financial aid, which you can find in the description section or visit my channel. Coming back to this program, it offers you interactive courses where you can complete different tasks and quizzes and develop projects from scratch with proper guidance. You can share your thoughts and learning by joining the community as well. The second one we have is very popular program and very few people are not aware of the university which provides this course. It's from Harvard and it's known as Harvard CS50 program. You can find this course in YouTube or you can find this on Harvard University website as well. What you have to do is search for Harvard CS50 program and here you click on view all the courses. After that you click on areas and for this tutorial I'll choose programming and from here you can find the courses of your choice. I'll select CS50 programming with Python and JavaScript for now, and after that you click on learn more and click on enroll. If you want to earn the certificate, unfortunately you will need to pay for that, but if you want to learn, just learn and gain some knowledge, then it's for free. You can find this program on YouTube as well, so for that you just go to YouTube search and type CS50 programming with Python and JavaScript and you'll find this course there. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope this one was helpful and good luck on your coding journey. See you in the next video. Thank you.